There we go. Oh, what is going on, guys? We're getting ready to go do some fishing in town because Kansas has been in a drought recently and we've been getting some good rain, and so finally the rivers have some form of water in them. So we're gonna go fish an area you guys seen me fish before that is dirty and has bugs in it. That is lovely. Little beetle. All right, okay, cool. But yeah, so we're gonna go fish a spot I fished before and see if there's anything roaming down there. Maybe they've gotten pushed in there since the waters came up a little bit. We're gonna throw some frozen shad and some worms. Just try to increase our chances of catching something. Got my stringer with me, so we might keep a few. Might do a catch and cook. I don't know. We'll see. But hopefully, we can just catch a fish today. But this spot is heavily targeted, and so we'll see. I got my key before I shut my door. Yeah, okay. Let's go, guys. Yeah, Kansas has been in a drought for, oh gosh, a while. It's been kind of crappy because obviously no good water in the river, so I don't feel like walking miles upon miles just to find a hole. But I don't know, we got some water now. Nothing crazy. It's around its normal water level, but it could be higher, but it's good enough for me to want to come out here and at least try. Yeah, this has gotten washed away. I think it'll be okay. Oh. Might have to use some speed going down here. All right, not bad, not bad. Yeah, I'm not going down that one. Let's go walk this way. See if I can't put on my glasses. See if we can't sight some fish. Not seeing too much right now, but you never know. Because normally the water should be at least up here where I'm walking. Granted, as you can see, it's awfully shallow, but this is normally where it's at. I haven't seen it like this in years, but when I say years, this used to be like how it used to run normally, but be deeper, if that makes sense. But yeah, this river changes, at least this section of the river changes every year. We get one big rain, about tripped. One big rain, all these rocks get changed around, new structure gets stuck in here somewhere, causing water to flow differently. With this spot having so many rocks, it's kind of hard to tell if I'm seeing a fish or not. But it's always cool seeing the water when it's low, seeing what you're actually fishing. Seeing structure that you didn't know was there, but you knew was there because you kept getting snagged on it. Got some minnows jumping. All right, so I think I'm gonna start off with a bobber on one pole and kind of let that float around, see if we can't find something. And then we'll have shad on the other two. I mean, if fish are in here, they're in here. They really can't go nowhere. You guys seen this, it's just so shallow. But we're here. We're gonna give it a try anyway. There we go, nice bloody headpiece right here, guys. All right, just know your regular Carolina rig, 2-ounce teardrop egg sink, not egg sinker, but teardrop. And this will kind of just throw it out in the middle for right now. Then we're going to take the body section. Get those scales off there, guys. And again, just Carolina rig, same setup. And we'll throw this one over there, kind of like a little choke point. Another bad thing is the fish were in here, they're not in here anymore. Like I said, this is a heavily fished section of the river in my hometown, so really just hoping, since the water's come up just a little bit, that maybe, just maybe, some fish got pushed in here. But oh, hold on, which one got hit? Oh, you know, something ran into my line out there. Whatever it was, it looked decent. So there's fish in here. Uh-oh, there we go. Oh, no. Sorry, y'all missed the bite. Oh, is that a gar messing with this? That's what it's low-key acting like. There is gar in here, so that's kind of the guess for what's going on with that pole. I'm seeing some little fish. I'm assuming they're either minnows and potentially shad. They're all like right here. If I had my cast net, I'd probably throw out there. Oh, something nibbled on it. Oh, no. Maybe it's a bluegill. That's going to be awfully tough. Or a little snake to snake. So I'm cool with snakes when they're like away from me. It's like they try to approach me or come take my bait. That's when we got problems. Last time I caught him, he was right here. Let's see if I can do that again. Oh, we got us one. And you lost an eye, my guy. I'm sorry. Well, I can say we did not get skunks. There you are, little buddy. What happened to your tail? Or is it just that small? That's weird. Oh, okay, bye. You're going the wrong way. I don't know where you went. Okay. Oh, you're still by me. There you go. There you go. Okay, well, that pool has nothing but channels and whatever that warmouth. What do you call them? Warmouth or green sunfish? All right, guys. We got a better worm, and we're gonna take this catfish pole over here with the tail end of that first shad I cut up. That gar must have snatched off my body section. That's all right. Hoping there's something large and in charge over here. I just want something to eat. There we go. Oh, this might be a carp. I'll look at my other rod. Whatever it is, it's pulling pretty decently. I feel like it was grinding on something down there. Good God. Oh, get out of my other line. Whatever it is strong. I'm venturing to guess it's a carp. Oh Lord, I got the wrong pole in my hand. All right, well there's that little slithery snake. We're going. I gotta put this pole down real quick. There we go. All right, now we can focus on the fish. Whatever it is, it's got some decent weight to it. And it's not giving up easily, which makes me think it's a carp. If it's a catfish, it's a strong catfish. And I don't have a net to really get it either. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a catfish. Oh, it's a nice one too, not bad. I'm gonna try to work my way down here. There we go. That's a good eater. That is a good eater right there too. My drag's too loose, I can't get him up. Make sure ain't no snakes down there first. All right, there we go, guys. We have secured the catch. That is a good channel. Good male. Skinny male too. He's going to make for some fine catfish nuggets later. That pole can stay there. I'll come back for it. Look at that, guys. Not bad at all. He's putting up a good little fight. Part of that fight could have been my drag was a little bit too loose, but it made for it to be a lot more fun. Oh Lord, where my pliers at? And it's just in the corner where you love to see it, but hate to see it at the same time. Okay, well, we're just going to title it. Let's go try to catch some more dinner. Early lunch, late lunch. I don't know. But we're on the board. I'd love to see it. And the crazy part about fishing is you don't know, there could be a 30-pound, 40-pound flathead just sitting down there. And you'll never know. But that's what makes fishing so fun. The unknown of what you might catch. So let's see if there's anything in this little stretch. Oh, we got a nib. Oh, we got one. What we got? What we got? Little baby channel rat. Calm down, sir. Jesus. You flung off my bait. I probably should have been smart and brought my worms with me. A little cute little channel catfish. You know, he flung off my bait. Because I do have a little bit left, I'm going to just keep using this until I literally have to go back. Oh Jesus! Don't look at that cast. Don't look at that. We're not gonna talk about that. Oh, we got another one. Yeah, he's a little bit better. Not the calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Channel, for playing. He said, I'm gonna do a lap around this rock and I'm back in action. Hopefully we can do it again when you're about 20 pounds bigger. Oh, got another one. They are just stacked over there. Oh, Mr. Heron over there got excited. Sir, can you look at the spots on him? Hold on, stop it. Look at the spots on him. I'm not sure if that's from me right now or if something tried to had him in his mouth. Sir. Thank you. There we go. Got him out. Oh, he's doing a lap too. Sorry, your tongue's gonna be bleeding for a little bit, my guy. You'll be alright. Not the size we're looking for, though, sadly. But can we continue to catch bait? Oh, catch bait. Catch catfish on this little piece of bait. Don't yet. We know we're gonna blame these raggedy casts on the lightweight. There it is. Oh, I have something. What do I have? What is that? Oh, no little warmouth. That's almost. All right. First of all, that's uncalled for. All right. See, look at you. Look at you. You're making a fool of yourself on camera. You're supposed to have some manners. And let me weigh you. That one is 6 pounds. A lot better than I thought. I thought he was gonna be like 4 or 5. And he's not even full of food, which is kind of crazy. 6 pounds, not bad. If he has some food in the stomach, he'd probably be a good 7, maybe 8 if he was full and stuffed. I don't know, I didn't be able to see him. Anyway, I went back to 8th Street, the Whisker Seekers Cajun batter. Fire mix, what you gonna call it. And they didn't have it anymore, which kind of sucks. And so we're trying out this, what is this, Gamekeeper Original Fish Breading and Batter Mix. I don't know. It says we can do up to 4 pounds of fish. So we're gonna give it a try. That is coated beautifully. Try to find one of the pieces that aren't scorching hot. Not bad. I still prefer the Whisker Seekers one though. But anyway guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button for me if you're new. Subscribe for me. Yeah, that's about it. Until next time, guys.
And it goes a little something like